Hi, this is John again from the Creative Drive. This is the third video in a short series of videos helping you navigate the Wisconsin State Form S-240. First video talked about the form and also discussed whether you should have a state sales tax number to participate in the Creative Drive. The second video walked you through the form itself without entering any information into the form. This third video is going to be a video showing you how you might be able to actually just open up the PDF file that I sent you attached to my email, and you might be able to just open it and enter the data right onto it and then send it right back to me. Again, I'm working with a Mac. I'm going to come down again in the left-hand corner, hit Finder, go through my files, documents. You've seen this before. Get up here, and I'm looking for demo S-240, and now it is opened up. And you can see it looks exactly the same as we left it after the last video. Now I would like to enter text, assuming that I'm an artist and I want to put some information in here just as you would do. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm clicking all over, and I'm just not getting any kind of a cursor so that I can start typing. What is causing that? Well, if we go up to the top left-hand corner, you can see that the program that's opened this is Adobe Reader. And Adobe Reader is just not going to allow me to do that. So I want to close this, go back to the file, the PDF file, single right-click on it, and it pulls up this drop-down box. Go to Open With, and now these are the programs that I can use to open, and you can see that Adobe Reader is my default program, but I don't want that. I want to pick another one, so I'm going to come down this list until I find Preview and click on Preview to open this PDF in Preview. Now we are looking at the PDF in Preview. And you can see up in the left-hand corner, it says Preview. Your part of the form is the seller part. And so we're going to come down here and click, and now I'm starting to see a cursor where I can type. I'm going to make up a name so that I can enter it in here, and I'm going to go with Sam R. Smith. I've entered that in. Come down to the next line, business name, Smith, art stuff, do my address, etc. Come to telephone. For some reason the cursor doesn't go into these parentheses, but you can put it on the outside of it, and then you can type in a number. Sales tax number is the same thing. You put your cursor over the first place, use your space bar to move it over to the next one. All numbers start with 456, so I'll enter that, knowing that that's right, and then you would proceed to fill in the rest of the numbers. Social Security would be entered the same. Again, federal identification number is probably something that you won't have. Then you can check, depending on if you have a sales tax number, you would check selling taxable merchandise, like that. If you were excelling under the exempt under occasional sales rule, you would click this, meaning that you don't have a sales tax number. Come down to the bottom, print name, add a date, and then signature. Well, it's going to be hard for you to add a signature, so you could just type in your name again, and I think that's probably acceptable. And then you can save this file and put together an email for me, attach it to the email. You would keep a file, you would keep a copy of it, I would get a copy of it, and we'd be good to go. So that's basically how you can fill this form out using Preview and working with a PDF. The following video is going to show you how you can actually add your signature to the signatures space and do it quite quickly, so that it's your official signature and it looks it'll look great. So it'll be a handwritten signature that'll be added to this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find that you want to try adding your signature, check out the next video. Cheers.